Hey everybody, this is Kat from the Alaska Steam Hub. Today we're at the Turnagain Arm Hooligan fishing. Come check it out with us. Here are some cool facts about hooligan fish. Hooligan fish, also known as eulachon, candlefish, or smelt, are small anadromous fish that migrate from ocean to freshwater rivers to spawn. They're particularly rich in oil, which can comprise up to 20% of their body weight, and are a vital food source for both humans and wildlife in Alaska. Their high oil content, which is why they're also called candlefish, allows them to burn like a candle when dried. Their high oil content makes them valuable for lighting, traditional medicine, and other uses, further highlighting their importance. Hooligan are a staple food for many Alaskan communities and are a crucial food source for various predators, including eagles, bears, and sea lions. They migrate from the ocean to freshwater rivers to spawn, often arriving in the spring in large numbers. In some indigenous cultures, hooligan oil is highly valued and used in various traditional practices, including as a food source, oil, and medicinal ingredient. They are considered a keystone species, meaning they play a vital role in supporting the food web and ecosystem in the Pacific Northwest. Hooligans are a type of forage fish, meaning they are small, schooling fish that are preyed upon by many larger predators. As a keystone species, hooligans support the entire food web, with their presence impacting populations of many other animals. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Get outside this summer and come back next time to see us clean all of our fish.